Hi, welcome to Explosion Game, made by yours truly. To give you some context, this game was made with all the things I've learnt so far in Roblox Studio. Let's start. In this game, you are a poor miner with only a few coins to spare, as seen on the table here. There is a random palm tree in the back, but let's not get close to that. You spent nearly all your money getting supplies to build this house, but you're so poor that you need to mine frequently just to stay alive. So I guess let's go mine. But before we go, why is there a random picture saying click me? Let's see what happens. Oh? That button was there just to make you feel curious. When you press it, you speed up, making you press the button which was directly out of your house. Not on purpose. Well, actually it was on purpose. But when you press this button, it exploded your house. Now you're left with nothing. But you're determined and you're not going to let anything stop you. So you're going to build it again. And this time it's going to be bigger and better than before. But first, you need to earn money, right? You earn money by mining that block over there. But you don't have any tools. When you walk over here, you're greeted with a weapon center with all kinds of weapons, but there's policemen guarding the door. If I try walking straight in, I die because of a conveniently placed kill function, which is on the floor right now. So I have no way of getting in that way, but there are two ways you can get in. First way is through a secret button on the wall here, which makes you jump high. And you went through a door right on the ceiling there. After collecting all the equipment on the table, you see that there's a mysterious gun on the ceiling, which was also placed there on purpose, but yeah. So you try going for it by jumping. Oh, and you've got it. This is very useful because if you press 7, you'll land back here. But the thing is, this gives you an escape because now you're on the roof. So if you let go of 7 now, you're safe. I designed this weapon center to be really hard to access so that because I already know how it works, I can easily show you. But new players will not know how it works, so it'll be really hard for them to get it. Okay, so now you've got all 7 weapons, you can start mining. You mine by clicking this block. It takes some time, sometimes, and you have to go quite slowly. Yep, nothing yet. Oh, there. You've got 1 rock so far, which is shown in here. You have 4 different things that you can get: rocks, iron, gold and diamonds, which are represented by different colours. Each of the blocks are worth a different thing, so the rocks will only give you 1 point, the iron will give you 2, gold will give you 3, and diamonds will get you 4. The rocks are the most common to get, obviously, but you still do get the other ones. Now, after quite a lot of mining, I think I've got enough money to go sell it at the bank, to banks who's in there. Let's go. If I just press the table here, all the money goes from here and goes into my bank, which is there. After mining for some time and after selling at the bank, you'll notice that you'll get things, but I'll show you that after it comes to that. So I've got to keep mining till I get some things. Okay, so I'm back and I've got quite a lot of things so far, which I think will get me good money. And the other thing about this is that the rocks and the iron, the gold and the diamonds all give you different, like it's worth different things. So the iron, I think it times your how many you've got there by 100, which will definitely give you quite a lot, and the rocks by only 1. So now I'm gonna go sell it again. Hopefully I'll get something this time. So in my bank right now I've got 951. Let's go back outside. I've got a house! It might be completely empty at this time, but once you keep mining, you get more things, which I'll demonstrate after a long, hard day of mining. Okay, so now with 1,841 in my bank, I've got a light. Yay! And now, with £2,253, I've got a fireplace. This keeps going on for quite some time after you get money, but as you can probably notice, I've only got tools 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7, which means that they're slowly disappearing after some time, so you can't just keep playing forever. And that's basically the end of my game. Thank you for watching.